In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns on your Wix website. To get started, open your site in the Wix editor so you can work directly on the page where you want your columns to appear. Columns are a great way to organize content more neatly, especially if you want to place text, images, buttons, or other elements side by side instead of stacking everything in a single block. This can help your page look cleaner, more balanced, and easier for visitors to scan. Once you're inside the editor, go to the left-hand toolbar and click the Add Elements icon, which looks like a plus sign. From there, select Strip, and then choose a strip layout that fits your design. Drag that strip onto your page in the section where you want to create the column structure. The strip acts as the container that will hold your columns, so placing it in the right spot first makes the rest of the setup much easier. After the strip is on the page, click on it to make sure it's selected. You should see a floating menu appear. In that menu, click the layout icon, which looks like a split rectangle. This opens the column layout options for the strip and gives you control over how the content inside it will be divided. Now you can add columns. Click Add Column to split the strip into multiple sections. If you need more than one additional column, you can repeat that action, or click Manage Columns and then choose Add Column from there. Wix allows you to create up to 5 columns within a strip, which gives you a lot of flexibility depending on how much content you want to display across the page. Once your columns are in place, you can adjust their proportions. In the Layout menu, you may see preset options for evenly spaced columns, which is helpful if you want a clean, symmetrical look. If you want more control, click Customize Proportions and drag the column edges to resize them individually. This is especially useful when one section needs more space than another, like if you're pairing a large image with a smaller text block. When the layout looks right, start adding your content. Drag elements like text, images, and buttons directly into each individual column. Be sure to place each item inside the correct column so your layout stays organized and responsive. Take a moment to review the spacing and alignment so everything feels visually balanced. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.